Hey guys, it's John here from instinctmarketing.co, back here with another Google Ads case study video, and this time it's for a landscaping company. And this campaign I'm about to show you is one of those clonable campaigns that we can work for anyone else who has a landscaping company. So if you do have one of those, do pay attention to the KPIs that we're going to go over, those key performing indicators. So if you are interested in getting leads to your landscaping business from Google Ads, we have a proven system on exactly how to do that within the Google Ads platform. So if you're looking to grow your business, make sure to check out the application link in the description below. But with that out of the way, let's get started with this case study. So we've been working with this company for almost a year now, but what we're going to show you here is from November to December and up to today's Google Ads stats. So let's get started. What we got here is a budget of $53.57 per day. So as you can see, the status says it's limited by the budget. So if we were to increase this client's budget, the conversions would be even more, and we'll get into that. So in November, we got 3,939 impressions. That's just how many times the ads appeared. And we got 231 clicks to those ads and a 5.86 click-through rate. So out of all those times it was seen, the click-through rate was nearly 6%. Not too bad. So the average cost per click here for a landscaping company in the Northern California region was $6.03. And in November, this client spent $1,000 and $392.87 for this campaign and got 52 conversions. So these are qualified leads inquiring to get a quote for landscaping and other categories within their landscaping company, and at a cost per conversion of $26.79. So that's less than 30 bucks. It's really good. I'm going to break down these conversions so you get an idea of what type of conversions we're talking about or we set up when we run Google Ads for landscaping companies in just a few seconds. But let's talk about the conversion rate real quick. That was 22% conversion rate. And we're going to go over these stats too for the next month in December, so you can also see that they were consistent. Anyway, let's check out December, and the screen's going to switch. There it is. So we got roughly, it's still the same budget in December. We got roughly the same number of impressions, a little bit less clicks, 182 clicks, less click-through rate. This is most likely because of the holidays. In the holidays, things do tend to slow down in every industry. And the average cost per click stayed a little bit the same, maybe a few cents higher, $1,137 ad budget, 42 conversions, and still under that $30 cost per conversion sweet spot, and the conversion rate was 23%. Not too bad, right guys? So let's dive in a little bit deeper and take a look at the conversion action so you can see what type of leads inquired and how they did that to do business with this client. So I'm going to go ahead and click segment and go to conversion action, and we'll break this down right now. So you can see out of these 42 conversions, 9 of them were click-to-call conversions. So that's when you see the Google ad on your mobile device, and then there's that phone call icon that you can call and dial right there and then. So there was 9 of those in the month of December. As for exit intents forms, there was 4 for the main landscaping page, and then 2 for sprinkler repair or the irrigation landing page. So for this particular client, we do have multiple landing pages for the different categories. So 2 of them, or one of them being the main landscaping landing page and another one for sprinkler repair. So if you're a landscaping company and your business includes sprinkler repair, we can create a landing page for you as well for that category and get you running with Google Ads as well and get you leads for that. As for the conversion goal that brought in the most conversions, it was first-time phone calls, so 23 phone calls, and form submissions for landscaping that were forms on the actual page, not an exit intent form. That was 4. So that was in total 42 conversions. So let's take a look at this year, as of now, January. We're halfway through January already, and you can see it's still staying consistent. We have 2,466 impressions so far. It's just the middle of the month, 130 clicks, 5.27 click-through rate, a little bit less when it comes to the cost per click, $760 so far in ad spend, and 37 conversions so far this month, and we're halfway through. And what's also exciting is the cost per conversion is less so far. It's about $10 less. So we're doing really good in January. Business is picking up, and then 28% conversion. So this has increased a lot since November and December, those holiday months. Let's see the breakdown here. The click to call conversions, right? These are the mobile phone call icons. These leads total up to 6 for this month so far, 4 exit intent forms for the main landing page, 2 exit intent forms for the sprinkler repair landing page, and 20 first-time phone calls so far. Form submissions so far for the main landing page was 3, and then 2 form submissions for the sprinkler repair landing page. So a lot of good results here, guys. If you are interested in getting something like this going for your own business, do make sure to check out the link in the description below so we can get started with you, make sure we're a right fit, and make sure this year starts off right. And whether you're viewing this at the beginning of the year, middle of the year, or towards the end of the year, you've seen these numbers. The leads are good. The cost per conversions are low. We've got this campaign dialed in. So make sure to get in contact with us, and I'll see you in the next Google Ads case study video. This has been John from instinctmarketing.co. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time.